Welcome to this series where we are learning Tableau using Tableau Public. So continue with my channel and learn Tableau, and YouTube steps are showing me that you have not subscribed to the channel. Only 20% of the people who are watching the videos have subscribed to it. So subscribe to the channel so that you can get latest notification and new videos. Keep on asking the questions so that we can give you more information in upcoming videos. This channel is uh, meant to serve you better in analytics, and your questions will help us to serve you better. So let's begin the journey for Tableau. So welcome to this video. In our last video, if you would have remember, we were playing around with the map, and then we were having this play around between two types of map. Either we are getting this kind of a structure, or we were getting the pie chart, or on the map, and all those. Now the idea comes, it can we combine these two in one visual, and that's what we have not discussed in the last one. And let's see if we can have some options like that to have these two visuals combined on one another. So one of the things which we'll do is, let's drag this and do this. So now what, with the control basically, so control and do this. So now we have two maps. Now let's come on this map, which is the, so now we have one map, and now this is the second map. Now in the second map, let's see, can we repeat the exercise? So we already have the colors, but let's remove the color for time being, and we got the size, and let's drag our gross sales or net sales maybe on the size. So we got a size, and let's say, can we color that by, let's say, something like category or brand. Let's color it by category. So now we do it color by category. Now this is there, and let's now go back and see, can we create a pie out here? So why now we have pies out here, now we have this out here, which is color shading. Is there a possibility when we can combine these two? So this is something which we have not explored in our last video, and let's see if we can do there. So now once we are done with these two visuals, and now you have to watch the last video, you have to see, how can you create these two visuals. So we have got now these two visuals, where now one of them has having the shading and one of them is having. Now let's click right on the last one, and here we have option for dual axis. Now the moment you made dual axis, now you would observe the change which has happened, that you have the shading which is behind you for the state, and there is a split which is also happening for the for the category. So in the state now happening, so what is happening here is, now we have combined two things together. Now two things together, and you have to remember that, while we are combining these two things, the size is playing one role, the color is playing one role. So now the bigger the size means bigger the gross, and then there is a split also, which is actually telling us what percentage, what is, what that's getting contributed inside this one. The net sales, how that is getting contributed by each category. So we are seeing category, we are seeing the state, and then we see the state color. So we know this is a big state because of the color, and inside the big state, definitely the spike need to be bigger. But yes, we can actually have the color on something else if we'd like. So we can go here, and now here there is a color based on cogs. Actually we can have color based on margin. So we have margin percentage, which we can drag on the color, and now we have the margin percentage, which now see our margin. And now margin percentage, what is happening right now, if you see here, is, it seems like this should be less, this should be more. So can we, make it little bit better by, having some different color set? So we go here and we choose this red green diverging, and then it means the lower one is there, and this is the 8%, this is the 16%. So 8 to 16% we have diverging, the smaller one is going to be the red one. Okay, so now we know the smaller we are looking at, it means it has lesser margin. The green, the darker the green, it means it's more margin. Now this is the message which is actually getting communicated by the map. But can we communicate a message only in terms of positive or negative or some ranges? That also we can do. I can create some measure, and then can, be color based on that also. That is also one thing which we can do. So now right now what's happening, we have looked at the picture previously, and now this Alaska is one sales which I'm currently not interested. I would definitely want like to only see this portion. So if I remove this, is it possible to remove this and see that only portion of that one, because the sale seems to be which I'm not wanted to include. So one way is that I exclude, or I say select none, and I say click exclude and click Alaska and include it. Okay, so now I am getting only the portion of the map which I actually wanted to focus right now in terms of the sales. We know we have a pretty high margin there, but our sales was pretty low, so we don't want to consider that right now. So, but we rest of the other things we wanted to consider here. So we got this map visual, and now you understood that we have these two visuals which we can combine together. In the last one we were shuffling between the two visuals. Now in this one we have went ahead and combined these two visuals, so and it became a one visual. So now in the one visual you are seeing the split of the data as well as color, and now color we are covering with different methods. There are more methods to govern the colors, which we will be keep on looking when we come to the separate video, or we will come to in the new videos. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in our new videos. Thank you. Get involved. Keep asking questions in comments. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of our new video. Keep watching.